Hello, Kyra. Everything is ready.
Perfect. Just be ready. When the boss leaves for the meeting, I'll call you.
Don't worry. I'll already be nearby. You just give me a call or even a message. I'll come inside right away.
Good. That's exactly what I want.
This time, she will not be able to escape.
Yes, this time it ends. I am about to reach the office now. I will update you as soon as he leaves.
All right, I'll be ready.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Coco.
Sir, today's meeting schedule is ready.
What time is the meeting?
At 11 a.m., sir.
And everything is prepared.
Yes, sir. All documents are ready.
Good. I don't want any mistakes.
You don't have to worry, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Kyra. We are going for a meeting, and I don't want to hear any complaints again.
Okay, sir. I will not give you any chance to complain.
And one more thing. Stay out of Jenny's work. I don't want any interference. And no drama in the office. This is your last warning.
Yes, sir. I understand.
No worries. Today is her last day here.
Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir. I'm listening. I will not give you any reason to complain.
Good. I expect better from you. Let's go, Coco. We're already getting late.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Last warning? To me. Who does he think he is? Always taking her side. Jenny, Jenny, Jenny. Everywhere it's just her name now. But not anymore. You think someone will save you? No one is coming this time. Today, everything ends.
Jenny, I need you for a minute. I have something important to show you.
Okay, ma'am. Jenny, here is your surprise.
So, this is where you've been hiding. You really thought you could run away from me, and I would just sit quietly? But now, I've finally found you. Come with me. No questions. No drama. Just come home.
Home? That place was never home for me. You never cared before, so don't pretend now.
Enough! Don't talk to me like that.
I'm not coming with you. Not today. Not ever.
I don't want to raise my hand on you, so don't test my patience. Just come with me, quietly.
Jenny is not going anywhere with you.
So, this is where she ran to hide, behind you.
She is not hiding. She is standing up for herself. And as long as I'm here, you can't take her anywhere.
Oh, really? You think you can stop me? I'm right here. Do whatever you can.
They're just wasting time. Before this turns into a bigger scene, we should tie her up and end this quickly. Yeah, you're right.
Let's do it before anyone comes.
Leave me! What are you doing?
Now let's see how you stop us.
So, this was all your plan?
Yes, and not just today. Before also. We were the ones who got her thrown out of the job by putting false blame of theft on her.
You did something very wrong.
Oh, really? Just stay quiet now.
Leave my aunt right now!
Stay right there. Don't even try to take another step, or I won't hesitate. Enough of this drama. Jenny, last time I'm saying, come with me. Don't force me to do something you will regret.
I already told you. I'm not going anywhere.
All right. Your choice. 3 seconds. That's all you have. Decide or face it. 3, 2, last chance. 1.
Yes, we have the suspect in custody. No need for backup now. We are bringing him in.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. You did the right thing by staying calm and informing us. We will take it from here.
Jenny, are you okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you. You saved me.
Sir, you came at the right time. This man was going to harm all of us.
Shut your mouth.
I heard everything. I forgot my bag and came back. And what I saw was enough. I warned you. This was your last chance. But you didn't listen. Get out and don't show your face here again.
Sir, please, one chance.
Get out before I call the police again.
Let's go, Kyra.
You went through so much, but you didn't break. You proved yourself without saying anything. From today, you are free. No fear, no pressure, no one to stop you. My blessings are always with you. You will rise, and everyone will see your worth.
You did it, Jenny.
Learn English with Kylie.